Hey guys, this is the 10th and final tutorial on how to make a game for the iPod or iPhone. Um, and what we're going to be doing today is adding a artificial intelligence of a sort, so that the computer will play against you. And because it's not really very fun if the computer doesn't play against you. Um, so we're just going to get started. We're going to go down to we're going to go to the very top actually, and we need to define a variable, the constant. So we're going to say define, and then comp move speed, and we're going to set it to, let's say, 15. And this is how fast the computer is going to be able to move, which is ultimately going to decide how good they are. So you can theoretically make it so that a person unbeatable, or impossible to beat, um, and you'll see why in a moment. So we're going to first start off and say, um, if the ball dot center dot y is less than, or equal to, or just less than the self.view.center.y. So if it's on the computer's half, we're going to need to make it interesting so they can only move if the ball is on their half. Um, then, and then we're going to say if the ball.center.x is less than self.view.center.x. So it's on one side, then go that way. And if I want to do the same thing actually. So we're just going to copy it and paste. And if ball.center is greater, equal to. Alright, now we're going to actually move it. So we're going to say, we're going to make a variable, we're going to call it, it's going to create a point, and we're going to name it comp location is equal to point make, and what I say, this is going to be ball dot center dot x minus k comp, or no, comp speed, comp move speed, and then we can just say that the y is the yellow, no, the green paddle dot center dot y. And we're going to say g paddle dot center equals comp location dot center. Save that. And we're going to do the same thing, but add in this one. So that it moves in the other direction. And that should be it. Let's save it and build and run. And we got 3 errors. Reset. Oh, sorry, forgot the and if. Save. Alright, and here we go. Let's see if it works. he moves to the ball. Kind of a little bit weird. Let's see if I can. Yeah, it's a little bit. Let me go ahead and pause the video, and I'm gonna try and see if I can figure out how to fix it. Alright, hey guys. I figured out what was wrong. Kind of a stupid mistake on my part. Alright, here's what it is. It's well, there are a few things wrong actually. This right here should be the paddle, because I care where it is, because the paddle doesn't have to be in the center all the time. So this should be G paddle dot center dot X, and I want to copy that and paste it right there. And then we can save that. And then also the other problem is this ball center right here. That should be G paddle center. Because I'm moving from the previous location of the paddle, not the previous location of the ball. So G paddle. Alright, and then we'll save it and build and run. And so when you run it, you get this awesome kind of thing playing against you, and it moves just like you would go for it. And you can adjust the difficulty by adjusting that computer move speed or comp move speed number. The faster you make it, the harder it gets, because basically what you're doing is you're telling the paddle to move in the direction of the ball. And if it's far away, then it can't get to it fast enough. So you're limiting the speed. So if you make the speed faster, you make it able to get more. So yeah, that's it. I don't need that. I just made that comment to retype it all. And so that's everything. We also added this defined comp move speed up here. I don't know if I did that before. But that's really that's everything. That's all of your basic game. You have a scoring system. You have all of that stuff. I guess the next step would also be to add a menu system, which I am actually working on right now. And if I just take these and where's mine? This is mine, but I want to take it into Tennis View controller. So if I take all of these and just throw them in my resources, and I want to copy them, add. So if I build and run mine, if it'll work. See, mine opens with a little menu system. You have a how to play. That 5 is there just for testing. You can go back. You can go to settings, adjust the settings, and then when you play, you have a little pause button right here where you can restart. You can return to the game, or you can exit to the menu. And that would be something to possibly maybe add a tutorial later on how to do. Thank you very much for watching all of my all of these videos, and I really hope you enjoyed playing and developing for the iPhone.